Hey there, fellow farm enthusiasts. Welcome to a world where your farming dreams can come true. Have you ever dreamt of escaping to the countryside and building your very own thriving farm? Imagine waking up to the sound of roosters crowing, the fresh scent of morning dew on the grass, and the sight of endless fields stretching out before you. Well, now you can, all from the comfort of your own home. No need to pack your bags or leave the city behind. With just a few clicks, you can dive into the serene and rewarding life of a farmer. Welcome to the exciting world of Farming Simulator 25, where you get to experience the joys and challenges of running a successful farm. This isn't just any game, it's a gateway to a whole new lifestyle. Farming Simulator 25 isn't just a game, it's a realistic simulation. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to give you an authentic farming experience. From the soil texture to the weather patterns, everything is designed to mirror real-life farming. Get ready to get your hands dirty, virtually of course, as you plant, cultivate and harvest a variety of crops. You'll learn the intricacies of crop rotation, soil health and pest management. Each decision you make will impact your farm's success. You'll drive incredibly detailed tractors and machinery, manage your finances and watch your farm grow. The game features a wide range of equipment from leading manufacturers, allowing you to choose the best tools for the job. One of the best things about Farming Simulator 25 is its stunning realism. The graphics are so lifelike that you'll feel the sun on your face and the wind in your hair as you work the fields. From the detailed tractors to the swaying crops and changing weather, you'll feel like you're right there in the middle of the action. The dynamic weather system adds an extra layer of challenge, as you'll need to adapt your farming strategies to changing conditions. And don't worry if you're new to the farming world, we'll guide you through every step of the way. Our comprehensive tutorials and helpful tips will ensure you're never lost, no matter how complex the task. Whether you're a seasoned virtual farmer or just starting out, Farming Simulator 25 offers an immersive and rewarding experience for everyone. You'll join a community of like-minded individuals who share your passion for farming. Get ready to roll up your sleeves, put on your farming boots, and let's get started. The world of Farming Simulator 25 awaits you. Dive in and discover the joys of farming, the satisfaction of a hard day's work, and the beauty of nature. Your dream farm is just a click away. Starting a new farm can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll take it step by step. Farming Simulator 25 offers a rich and immersive experience, and with a bit of guidance, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful virtual farmer. When you first begin your Farming Simulator 25 journey, you'll find yourself with a small plot of land and some basic equipment. This might seem modest, but it's the perfect starting point to learn the ropes and build your farming empire. It's best to start simple, so choose one crop to focus on. Starting with a single crop allows you to understand the growth cycle and the specific needs of that plant without becoming overwhelmed. Wheat is always a good choice for beginners. It's a staple crop that's relatively easy to manage and doesn't require too much attention compared to other crops. It's relatively easy to grow and sells for a decent price. This means you can quickly start making a profit, which you can reinvest into better equipment and expanding your farm. Once you've chosen your crop, it's time to prepare the land. Proper soil preparation is crucial for a healthy crop yield. Use your trusty plow to till the soil and get it ready for planting. Tilling helps to aerate the soil, making it easier for roots to grow and access nutrients. Now it's time to plant those seeds. Planting is a delicate process that requires precision to ensure even growth. Attach the seed drill to your tractor and carefully drive across your field, ensuring even distribution. This ensures that each seed has enough space to grow without competing too much with its neighbors. Remember to check your crops regularly and make sure they have enough water. Water is essential for plant growth, and keeping the soil moist will help your crops thrive. You can use your water tank to keep the soil moist. Regular watering is especially important during dry spells to prevent your crops from wilting. As your crops grow, you'll need to keep an eye out for weeds. Weeds can compete with your crops for nutrients and water, so it's important to manage them effectively. Use a cultivator to remove those pesky weeds and give your crops the best chance to thrive. Regular weeding will ensure that your crops have the best possible environment to grow. With a little patience and hard work, you'll soon be harvesting your first bountiful crop. Harvesting is the most rewarding part of farming, as you get to see the fruits of your labor. Make sure to use the right equipment to gather your crops efficiently. Once harvested, you can load your crops onto a truck and take them to the market. Selling your crops will provide you with the funds needed to upgrade your equipment and expand your farm. As you make more money, consider investing in better equipment. Upgraded tools and machinery will make your farming tasks easier and more efficient, allowing you to manage larger plots of land and grow more diverse crops. Expanding your farm is a natural next step. With more land, you can experiment with different crops and farming techniques, further increasing your profits and farming knowledge. Don't forget to keep learning. Attend workshops, talk to other farmers, and stay updated with the latest farming techniques and technologies. Continuous learning will help you stay ahead in the game and make your farm more successful. Farming is a journey that requires dedication and passion. Enjoy the process, celebrate your successes, and learn from your challenges. With time, you'll become a master farmer, reaping the rewards of your hard work and perseverance. One of the coolest things about Farming Simulator 25 is the ability to use mods. These mods can transform your gaming experience, making it more immersive and tailored to your preferences. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a newbie, mods can add a whole new layer of excitement to your virtual farming life. Mods are like special add-ons created by other players that can enhance your gaming experience. They can range from simple tweaks to complex additions that completely change the way you play the game. The community of modders is incredibly creative, constantly coming up with new ideas and improvements. Want to drive a specific brand of tractor? There's a mod for that. Imagine cruising through your fields in a tractor that you've always dreamed of owning. These mods can include detailed models of real-life tractors, complete with authentic sounds and functionalities. How about adding new types of crops or animals to your farm? Yep, there's a mod for that too. You can diversify your farm with exotic crops or rare breeds of animals, making your farming experience richer and more varied. This not only adds to the visual appeal of your farm, but also introduces new challenges and rewards. Mods can add endless possibilities to your game. From changing the landscape to introducing new farming activities, the sky's the limit. You can create a farm that's as unique as you are, with every detail customized to your liking. You can find mods for almost anything, from new equipment and buildings to realistic weather effects and even new maps to explore. Imagine having the latest farming technology at your fingertips, or exploring a beautifully crafted new map that offers fresh challenges and opportunities. Imagine harvesting fields of sunflowers, tending to a dairy farm with adorable cows, or even managing a forestry operation. These mods can make your farming simulator experience feel incredibly real and rewarding, giving you a taste of different farming lifestyles. To use mods, you'll need to download them from a trusted source. It's important to ensure that the mods you're downloading are safe and compatible with your game version. Always check reviews and ratings before downloading to avoid any issues. Many websites offer a wide selection of mods created by the Farming Simulator community. These sites often have forums where you can discuss mods with other players, get recommendations, and even request new mods. The community is very supportive and always willing to help out. Once you've downloaded the mod files, you can install them into your game and start enjoying all the new content. The installation process is usually straightforward, with many mods coming with detailed instructions. If you ever run into trouble, there are plenty of tutorials and guides available online. Mods are a fantastic way to personalize your farm and make it truly unique. You can experiment with different layouts, try out new farming techniques, and create a farm that reflects your personality and style. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. The modding community also hosts events and competitions where you can showcase your modded farm and see what others have created. These events are a great way to get inspired and learn new tricks. Plus, they're a lot of fun. Modders often update their creations based on player feedback, so the mods you use can evolve and improve over time. This collaborative effort between players and modders ensures that the game remains fresh and exciting, with new content always on the horizon. So if you're looking to take your Farming Simulator 25 experience to the next level, dive into the world of mods. With so many options available, you're sure to find something that enhances your gameplay and makes your virtual farming adventure even more enjoyable. As your farm starts to grow, it's time to think about advanced strategies to maximize your yields and profits. One important technique is crop rotation. Instead of planting the same crop in the same field year after year, try alternating between different types of crops. Why is crop rotation important? Well, different crops have different nutrient needs. Rotating crops helps to maintain soil health, prevent disease, and even improve yields over time. For example, you could try rotating between wheat, corn, and soybeans. As you progress, you'll also want to upgrade your machinery. Investing in more powerful and efficient tractors and equipment can save you time and money in the long run. Consider upgrading your harvester to cover more ground faster, or investing in a larger fertilizer spreader to nourish your crops more effectively. Remember, a well-equipped farm is a productive farm, so keep an eye out for new machinery upgrades and invest wisely to boost your farming operation.